I like big yarn and I cannot lie. Sorry, I had to say it. And you'll be saying it too when you meet I Like Big Yarn. I Like Big Yarn is a jumbo weight chainette yarn meant for fast finish projects with chunky stitches. It's super soft and fashion forward. This yarn has a chainette construction. That means that it's actually a tube that's knit out of a roving yarn, and that texture looks so cool when it's worked up. Big knits are in. You can make all kinds of cool accessories with this yarn. Chunky hats, cowls, and home decor with that oversized, cozy feeling. I Like Big Yarn is 100% acrylic, and in each ball you get 33 yards of yarn. There are some really beautiful colors to choose from too. The recommended needle size is a US 35, and the recommended hook size is an S35 or 19mm hook. Just look at how fast you can make anything using I Like Big Yarn. I'll tell you all about these swatches right after you subscribe to our channel. I made both of these in about 10 minutes. I did stockinette stitch and single crochet. I can't get over how big these stitches are. I know lots of knitters and crocheters who love working with chunky yarns. This one has your name all over it. Not only does this create a dramatic fabric, but it's so soft. Great for accessories, but snuggly enough for blankets and throws too. The chainette construction gives your stitches some extra texture. It looks great and it feels great too. You're gonna have so much fun working with I Like Big Yarn. Learn more about it at lionbrand.com. Happy stitching!